What's up, guys? Quantum League Capital, aka Hunter, back with another video. And I just want to update you guys. I didn't end up uploading the original video. I think it actually might be uploaded to YouTube. I just never made the video public. So I might just blend those two videos together now. I'm not exactly sure, but I might just put this video out, and I'll briefly explain what happened. So essentially, let's go to the prime market terminal real quick. Let's go to silver. So yeah, it's expecting a little dip today. We'll see if we get that or not. But then it's still pretty bullish all the way until September. So let's see what happens there. But either way, silver, the seasonality has been showing extreme bullishness since. Let me check. When did I take the first silver trade for this? Where's the date? Oh, July 18th. So although it had to have been bullish since July 18th, as you can see though, that was around here, and we've done nothing really but drop. So the first entry was somewhere up here, I believe. Yeah, somewhere up here we had an entry. It went up a little bit. It was pretty nice, and then we got stopped out. Our second entry was here. Get rid of some of this stuff. Our second entry was here at this low right here. Again, it was still signaling bullish the whole way up. The only thing that sent me a little bit off was the DXM. So it was showing that majority of people were actually going long, kind of like it is right now. But again, I'm not too worried about it because there is news coming out today. It's probably going to be very volatile. So yeah, in a few hours we have ADP non-farm payroll, which is kind of like the precursor to NFP. And then we have the big one, which is really at 2 p.m., which is the Fed rates. So we're going to see what Mr. Powell has to say regarding interest rates. So it's going to be a volatile day. It's showing that there will be a slight dip going into Thursday, which is fine because the overall trend is still up. And if we're leaning a little bit long, it doesn't worry me too much because, like I said, we've gotten a pretty good push off of this area. So this was the second attempt. Obviously, as you can see, that was stopped out as well. Very unfortunate, but that's just the way she blows sometimes. So yeah, I don't remember which entry we got. But yeah, so this happened, and then boom, 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 took us out. All Gucci, all Gucci. So then we entered. Let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of that. Don't want to show the secret sauce. We entered in right here. So at minimum, I want to see this gap filled, but I would like to see it come touch up here, preferably. So that's what we're working with right now. So now that we have that out the way, this is the reasoning behind the trade. The seasonality is showing we are bullish. The DXM was very it was very heavy on the shorts, but it started to come down some, as you can see, and now we're a little bit heavy on the long. So yeah, that's basically what we're working with right now. So, and we've hit a pretty big level of, is it demand? Yeah, demand, support, whatever you want to call it. So I want to see this gap get filled. That's basically what we're working with right now. And also on top of that, we've added an oil trade, which this is the trade right here. I put my stop loss pretty big just because I wasn't sure. I wasn't very confident that this low right here wasn't going to get taken out. So the reason for this trade is weekly demand right here. We took out this low, which is fine. There was also that little level right there where the weekly demand was. And also on crude oil, which is what this is, CL or WTI or US oil, whatever the thing you're looking at. So it actually changed. This is not what it was showing. It was actually a much prettier curve, which may be a sign that we need to close this trade actually, because I mean, it's not bad per se, but it's very choppy. I don't know if I like that. But essentially this was like straight green. I can't see the DXM on this, unfortunately. I also like to look at the Brent crude to see what's going on here, and this is showing straight bullet or bearish, so they kind of correlate. So we may actually close out of our oil trade. So let me show you guys the actual trades themselves. Screen will go blank. This is my MetaTrader. So this is what we're working with right now. As you can see, the trades are in a nice profit. Love seeing the blues. This is the oil trade right here. Like I said, I am not too confident in that type of seasonality prediction. I don't like the choppiness of it. If it switches back, and along with when you got Brent going so negative, I mean, these are pretty low probabilities on some of these, but yeah, I don't know. It kind of sketches me out a little bit. So even though the technicals look good, I mean, the technicals look really good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm only risking about 500 on this. If it hits this limit order right here, because I have another order down here, that would give us another entry, and that would put us at 1,000 risk. So you know what? If it does go down, this is the better entry anyway. Fuck it. We'll close it for now. This is a good level to enter at anyway. We've had a little push up, so screw it. And as you can see, we're up 1,000 profit on silver. Here's the entry, and there's my take profit. So we can go ahead and go to the other the same thing. This is silver. I don't know why I have this one down there. I'll put it up here. I could have already taken profit because I thought of taking profit right here, but I really do think it'll at least come up here. So about 1,600. US oil. Yeah, we have our limit order ready, so we'll just go ahead and close that right there. Like I said, it's better safe than sorry if the data changes like that, so I'm not really liking that. So yeah. Okay, let's close that. WTI we can close. And silver, looking nice. I love the way that silver's looking though. So we have a good trade on our hands. We have another potential good trade on our hands if it comes down here. So we'll see what it does on oil. I am gonna be watching that pretty closely. Now US 30 is an interesting one because I would like to short it. This whole little area, I guess you could put it. I would like to short it, but the thing is, it's just been so bullish. I mean, I don't even trust it, so I'm not gonna do anything with it, but it looks like it could be a good short, especially if the if the Fed narrative comes out and plays on the stock market's emotions. Let's just look at gold real quick. Ooh, gold's looking nice for a trade. Look at that. Oh, we might have to look at gold real quick. Hit right there. Gold is looking super good. Even though we've got this big wick, I don't know. That might have to be a play after the Fed rates, though, because unfortunately for our silver trade, that is something that can happen, is a big spike down and then back up. So we'll see what it does. But yeah, I mean, that is like super clean seasonality prediction, some pretty high probability, and then of course we got the DXM showing retail is shorting, so that's pretty good. It's saying it's gonna break the high around the end of August, so around the end of September, it's saying. I don't know. I think I would need to see... I need to see some type of return. Like, if we can get back down here to this daily candle. Like, hold on. Let me get rid of that. If we could at least come back down here. Have some type of rejection or something. I'd be willing to take a gander and maybe get in on that action, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically it. I don't want to drag this video on too long. We potentially found another trade. We are in a trade. That's going well. So maybe some retracement. We hit a pretty good zone. Also, this is a weekly zone, so it's pretty prime for a big reversal. I'm just trying to catch it to up here. As you might have saw on my account, I'm a little negative, but that's nothing to worry about. So yeah, man, let's get this bread. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. It's like 6 in the morning here, so we're up pretty early. And I'm gonna go fuck about. I'm gonna go mess around and do whatever I want to do. So, thank you guys. Peace.